Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to know if your Snapchat is hacked. To do that, guys, first open up your Snapchat. We will be going through a bunch of series in order to know if your Snapchat is hacked or not. To do that, guys, first go through the regular activities of your account, your messaging, your text messages, and after that, if you find it suspicious, guys, you can always contact the team support on Snapchat. You can see over here, and after that, going through your messagings, your accounts, guys, your pictures, your avatars, you can see, and your activities from over here. One thing you will know, that is, if some irregular activities are happening over here on your accounts daily basis, stories and messaging, it might be that you can suspect it. But from over here, guys, again at the top left corner of the screen, let's tap on the Bitmoji icon. After checking out your regular activities, guys, go to your settings and go through this information, your name, username over here. Any one of them has been tampered or not, since you are using the Snapchat, and if any one of these has also been tampered, you can complain on Snapchat, or you will be able to know your Snapchat is hacked or not. If all of these are fine, then your Snapchat is fine, guys. You don't need to worry. And this is how to know if your Snapchat is hacked or not. If this has been tampered, you can just scroll down until you can find the safety center, and you can go through the procedures over here, what it says to go through this information and connect to Snapchat. And with that being said, guys, this is how you know if your Snapchat is hacked or not. And if you have any questions or confusions on the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.